Well, here is the crash that decided the East Championship. And technically for neither of them. Because as you can see right there, Vial, who was pretty much out of this race. I mean, Hammaker had this in the bag. Without that front wheel hunting crash, takeout, whatever you want to call it, by RJ Hampshire, Hammaker had this. And I think even with, somebody correct me if I'm wrong on this, even points wise, if Hampshire takes out Hammaker there and passes him, whatever, or even just passes him, I don't think even that pass would have given him the points for the championship. So the fact that he not only did the takeout, ruined Hammaker's chance at winning a title, ruined his own chance at winning a title, gave it to somebody else, and then all for the fact that even with that one crash, or even with that one pass, he wouldn't have been uh, a championship alone because Deegan was so far out front it wasn't even funny. For that to have worked, he would have had to take out Hammaker, have Hammaker be down for a long time, have 3 or 4 people pass him, I think, and then maybe you get some sort of championship out of it. But it's just ridiculous. You think to watch that at the end of the race, have a title taken from you like that. And I even said it on Twitter. I was like, I wonder if Hampshire is going to get the same amount of hate that Deegan did. And I mean, consider Deegan did it to clinch his title. Hammaker did this to possibly take somebody else out so that he could win the title. And even then, I don't think it was worth it. That's my opinion. Uh, but on his Instagram, we do have an update or an announcement or whatever you want to call it from him saying, quote, "A few years ago, I almost believed I'd never have a shot at winning a championship. Last year, I proved I could, and last night I had another shot at one. I fought so dang hard all season just to have that opportunity, a decision I wish I didn't have to make, which was obviously devastating for Seth and myself. I have massive respect for Mitch and his whole team, which made the situation even worse. To my team, blah, 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 blah." He's sitting here saying, I wish I didn't have to make the decision. And, well, you did. You obviously didn't really care all that much about Seth's uh, chance, or your own chance, really, because that was a really bad takeout attempt. And it was rule number one: if you're going to take somebody else out, you don't take yourself down too. Especially don't let their bike fall on top of yours, and then you're both sitting there screwed. Like, if y'all came around that corner and it was just like he went from the depths of, oh, I'm gonna lose this championship, to coming around and seeing the 2 people you're in the title fight with laying on the ground and you just get gifted one. He had to be so happy. I don't know, and it's one of those things that, yeah, you're going for a title, and hard passes are going to happen, but if you do something stupid like that, like take yourself out and then lose the title not only for yourself but for somebody else, just give it to the third guy who was irrelevant in this race, really. I mean, he kind of just got passed and left in the dust. So I don't know. You guys tell me. Comment down below. I think it's fine. I mean, it's a racing incident. It's a stupid pass. Um, Obviously, he was catching Hammaker, so I think he probably could have done this in a better way, even if it was just push him off the track, but not going front wheel hunting like that. But I don't know. It is what it is. It's for the title. Real's got to be happy. But so I'm gonna leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Good pass, bad pass. Are you happy for Real? Whatever it is. Comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.